Do you have an error with the Speaker Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get localized audio orchestration working again. While we cover the technical fix for Speaker Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Speaker Library, a generic speaker configuration helper. It provides unmanaged routines for managing audio output channel mappings, stereo, 5.1, 7.1. It facilitates the orchestration of spatial audio manifests and coordinates the data link to the hardware-level audio codec. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since Speaker Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Audio Orchestration Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Speaker Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ Redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Manual intervention with Speaker Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Speaker Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.